Top 7 platform to learn web design. Are you intrigued by web design? Do you want to learn web design? Do you want to know how to develop websites? So here are top 7 platforms to learn web design that are going to catch your interest and teach you from scratch how to actually build website. And this platform do not charge you a single dime to do that. So they are free and they do not charge you, and you can learn from scratch without paying a dime. So let's get started. Hello, welcome to Victory Design. This is our official YouTube channel, and if you have not subscribed to Victory Design, you are wasting your time. Hit the subscribe button right now before we get started, right? So let me list out the top 7 for you. The first platform is, take a guess. It's not YouTube actually. It's W3 School. I know you guessed YouTube. It's W3 School. Now, W3 School is the first best platform to learn about web design. Now, if you want to learn web design, web development, go to W3 School. Now, the limitation of W3 School is that it is not a video platform. It is actually a written platform, more of article and content form. So W3 School still remain the best, although it is not a video platform, but then it still remain the best, as I said. So the first platform, the first and the best platform to actually learn web design for free is actually W3 School. So go check it out. Just go to your browser, type in www.w3school.com, and then you be taken to the site, and then you can actually start your journey to becoming a web designer or a web developer. Now, number 2 platform to actually learn web design or web development is Free Code Camp. Yes, Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is actually a resourceful platform that actually help people. They have been helping and they are still helping people for free to learn these skills, especially web design and web development. So if you want to learn web design, web development for free in the comfort of your home, and you don't like article form like W3 School, then try out Free Code Camp so you can learn to code probably in 3 weeks, in 6 weeks for free. Yes, as I said, for free. So number 2 is Free Code Camp. Now number 3 is your biggest platform, your biggest video platform, and it is YouTube. So number 3 platform is YouTube. So you can go to YouTube, type in what you want to learn, and change the filter to 1 hour video, 2 hours video, depending on what you want, and you start learning your web development skill there. Mind you, you can take a course table for maybe ChatGPT or any of these AI, tell it to generate a course outline for you, and then you go to YouTube, start taking the course one after the other. It is free of charge. You do not pay anything for it. Right, I think that's number 3. Now, number 4 place to learn web design or web development for free is Coursera. Coursera is already a great platform. They have paid courses and they also have free courses. Now, the disadvantage there is after you're done, you do not get any certificate. You don't get any certificate. Some of these other free platforms, you get certificate watermark and you have to pay for your certificate. Coursera, you do not get certificate, but you can learn what you want to learn for free. So I think number 5 on my list is going to be Coursera. Now number 6 is Udemy. So Udemy is another great platform to learn web design if you are interested in learning web design. Udemy has paid courses as well as free courses, so you can go to Udemy, pick up any of the course that interests you in web development, web design, UX and UI design, any of the web design niche that interests you. You can go there, take the course, and the courses are arranged in detail so that you can actually understand what you're doing. So you can go to Udemy as my number 6 recommended, and then you can start doing your thing. Now number 7, which is the last, is codeacademy.com. So codeacademy.com, I have not tried codeacademy.com, but the hype around it seems it's worth a try. So codeacademy.com is what I'll give number 7. If you want to learn web design, as I said, take out of this 7 platform, pick your best depending on your preference. Pick the best video that works for you. Pick the best platform. If you are into text and written article and you like to read, then you should go for W3 School. Now from the rest, pick your best video platform and start learning web design for free. Pay no one. All the same, if you want someone, if you want a platform that will actually teach you more with arranged courses, with arranged is it outline or what? Arrange course content, no, course calendar. So if you want a platform that can teach you with arranged course outline, then you should check out www.v3design.com.ng. we now have our own course platform, so you can go there and pick what you're interested in learning. Especially if you are from Nigeria, you go there, pick what you want to learn, and then take your web design course. So thank you for watching this video. As I said before, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It is very important to us that you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and the next video is going to pop up on your screen. Click on that video, share the video as well, and I'll see you on that video. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.